And note to self, to any mother out there, when you say your teeth them start drop out after you have your baby, go to the dentist and get it taken care of right away. Please do not wait until long after like me. Like, but just could up bother with the juking, and every time I go to stop because I just never want to deal with the injection. I just never want to deal with I just didn't want to deal with being at the dentist overall. New day, welcome back. Update on the dentist visit. I am here to do the cleaning now, so I'm gonna do a full cleaning. I guess a deep cleaning because I hadn't had a cleaning in a while, so I'm gonna clean out everything, you know, proper clean out the mouth and do another little exam, and that would be like the first step in my dental treatment, because you know we're on the journey to proper dental health where it concerns my teeth, them cavities and all of that. May I get over this whole idea of me not wanting to go to the dentist, because like the last time it was just too much. Like I feel like going to the dentist and then the injection is too much for me, and the last time I get injection I feel it way in the back of my head. I just never want to deal with that again. But the longer you wait, the worse it gets. So that means everything we didn't have, like, it costs more money to fix it because I have to do another root canal, unfortunately. So today I'm gonna go in for my cleaning, get that sorted out, hear what I have to say, and then I have to go to the dentist again 2 days after my birthday, because of course it is the birth month. I am turning 20. Wait, what? No, I'm not. I'm definitely not. I don't know why I said that. But I don't know why I said so. But yeah, definitely the birth month is in full effect. Yeah, so I'll see you probably inside the dentist office. I'm actually like almost on like 40 minutes early for my appointment. I'm rather early than late. All right, so I'm at Walmart now, so let me give you a rundown on the dentist. Basically, like I said the first time, this dentist journey is it's gonna be expensive, so watch the videos because it's like expensive. I think I still have gingivitis. When did you have that, you know? And I just didn't follow up with the dentist, or like after I did have the kids, I don't remember. But yeah, my mouth is definitely going on with that. Plus, remember last week I mentioned the root canals and the cavities, so I have to do them the first. Like I feel like the treatment I'm gonna have where it concern my teeth are gonna be over like a 2.5 year period, because I have to do each section at a time. Then we can go in and clear up like the gingivitis and things like that. So it is going to be a lot, and just as usual, like the reason why dentist is so like, you know, such a thing for me is because of the tenderness, and the tenderness are because of the gingivitis. Because when she did test the gum and she did have to stick this thing inside it, and I was like, ugh, I'm saying all the numbers, I was just like, ugh, yeah. And then when she done and she tell me the treatments and everything I needed, I was like, yeah. And then you know how people are always like, you know, do it the, you know, how natural way this. There's certain things I'll do the natural way, but right now I'm gonna take my one to my teeth the natural way. Like let's just get this cosmetic thing taken care of. Let's get this taken care of. I can't bother with the natural way. I can't bother with the stress. Let me just, the only thing I can't bother with the money either for do it. So you know, I'm gonna do what I have to do. Hopefully one day I'll be in a different position where I can, you know, just pay extra, forget it, whatever I need to do, and get things sorted out, because this is a lot. But anyways, now I have to go in Walmart and see if they have like a water floss. I'm gonna try a water floss and see how that worked for me, and maybe the toothbrush. But she said if I forget one of them, probably start with the toothbrush first. I'm gonna go in there and decide which one I want, and that's about it. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna go on the road, so I might look for a top in the one we did want, see if they have it on sale. Cause me since what day since I start find cute, like this tank top is from Walmart. Like me have to get a full picture of it when I go home for show you how it looks on me. I should take one at the park, you know. I never take one. Anyways, to see how it look on me. So I'm always going to go check to see when them have sale. But I'm gonna go take care of that now. And note to self, to any mother out there, when you say your teeth them start drop out after you have your baby, go to the dentist and get it taken care of right away. Please do not wait until long after like me. Like we just could up bother with the juking, and every time I go to stop because I just never want to deal with the injection. I just never want to deal with I just didn't want to deal with being at a dentist overall. So, you know, and them tell me say come when me did Jamaican, this cheat did swell up and me therefore go to the dentist. Me still never want to go to the dentist. But and even then, like the dentist when me did go, she did do what she supposed to do. Cause when I went to the appointment today, they said that my root canal was fine, nothing ever wrong with it. So she did a good job, them say, and everything. But just the process of being at a dentist overall was just so. Even when me that do it, they were like, you know, just relax, relax. You're poking me. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to go in Walmart and get the things I need. Look here, I'm coming here. I'm telling you, I'm coming here for right one or two things. I'm gonna go get my favorite waffles. So now I'm gonna walk over to the area. I forget the now I walk over to the area. I forget the floss for sweets. Actually, if I see if them have it, because if anything, I have to go to Target, and I don't really see more on the Target run today. That's a bit much for me. I can't bother driving on this, so I want to sit down now. I'm just done poke up my mouth. I just want to relax and think about the stress of how much that cost me for sort out my teeth. Yo, then going to the dentist, because it's expensive, people don't go, but God, honestly, when you have insurance and everything there, the best thing you do is just sort it out. The longer you wait, the worse it is and the more expensive it is. Where is... I don't have any clearance. Oh, they do have clearance over here. That's where it is. Yep, that's where the new clearance is. I don't know why I'm in clearance, but that's where the clearance is. Look, I never come here for this, but it's a $5. I'm just a look. Is that really $5 though? Because Chumi not really wear 2-piece more than some. So this would have been perfect. If it is $5, I don't know. Wanna think. I'm gonna check the price and see. It's $9 and that's a bit more than what I bargained for. I thought it was gonna be $5. If I'm not $5, I'm gonna want it. I know that I'm gonna come here for. They else get hip to the Walmart sale them and coming at Walmart things them turn over quick, you know, like them up them in the week, you give it a few more weeks them go on sale. And there was a pants for me to watch and it on sale for $3 now. The regular price is like $29. Of course I better large them off. So let me go check out the sale section. Ask me why I'm still there. I can't answer, but I'm gonna check out now. I just went through everything I have and decided not to take half of them because I was going through the clearance. I don't need anything. I'm not supposed to be spending. The only thing I'm gonna take out the thing I'm gonna for $5 plus the two the only food me eat, and that's it. I made it home. Like I didn't take out the camera after my cashews and stuff. It's home time. Like I make some rice so we can eat with the leftovers, and yeah, I'm probably dwell on the money that I need to spend and then kind of prepare for tomorrow. But that's about it. Until next. But that's about it. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. And talk to me in the comment section. Thank you.